Hello Sudoku friends, welcome back with the second Sudoku, a Sudoku with 2 stars. Alright, we will start with the number 6, I believe, yes, 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row, so in the row above, the only 2 places for a 6 should be here or there, but I see here 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. Then I see here in this big square, one of the missing number is a 3. We have a 3 there, so no 3 in these 2 boxes. See, there are 3, no 3 in those 3 boxes, so the 3 could be here or there. So in the last column we have a 3 over there. In the column next we have a 3 in one of these boxes in this column. So in this column the only place for the 3 should be here. 7. Okay, in this big square, no, in this row, 4 missing numbers. I have here the numbers. One of the missing numbers are 2, 8, 1, and 1 and 7. Yes, 1 and 7. I have here a 2 and an 8, so no 2 and an 8 in these 2 boxes. So the 2 and 8 should be there. 2 and 8. I cannot fill this yet. It should be a pair, 2 and 8. That means those 2 boxes are the 1 and the 7. We have a 1 here, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 7 goes there. Two missing numbers in this column for the numbers 4 and 6. 4 and 6. We have a 6 here, so no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for the numbers 5 and 9. We have a 5 there, so no 5 here. 5 should be here, and 9 goes there. 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column. So in the column next, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. I see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here. 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row, so in the row below, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there, but I see here 7, no 7 here, 7 should be here. We have a 9 in this row, a 9 in the middle row, so in the row below, the only place for the 9 should be here. In this big square, 7 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 9. I see here a 9, so no 9 in these 3 boxes. I see there a 9, no 9 in these 3 boxes. Here a 9, so no 9 in those 2 boxes. 1 box remains for the 9, should be here. And then 8. And 2 and 8. 2 and 5. 5. Yes. 5. Here should be the 5. Let me see. 6. Yes, 6 in this column, 6 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here and there. But we have a 6 there, so no 6 here. 6 should be here. One of the missing numbers of this big square is a 1. I see here a 1, so no 1. In these 3 boxes, 1 box remains for the 1 should be here. 1, 2, 3. The 4 is missing, the 8 is missing, and the 9 is missing. 4, 8, and 9. I see here 4, so no 4 there. Here 4, so no 4 there. The only place for the 4 should be here. 8 and 9, 8 and 9. That means those 3 boxes are reserved for the numbers 2, 3, and 2, 3, and 2, 3, and 7. I see here 3 and 7, so no 3 and 7 here. 1 digit left for the 2. Here we have a pair, 3 and 7, 3 and 7. These 2 of this column are the numbers 4 and 8. 4 and 8. We have an 8 there, so no 8 here. 8 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Then in this big square, one of the missing number is a 2. I see here 2, so no 2 in these 2 boxes. See there 2, so no 2 in those 2 boxes. So the 2 could be here or could be there in this column. We have a 2 in one of those 2 boxes. In that column we have a 2 in this column. So in that column, the only place for the 2 should be here. 1 box remains for this row for the number 8. Then 4, 5, and 8. No, 8, 7, 6. 9, 3. In this big square, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 3. We have a 3 here. No 3 in those 3 boxes. Here 3, so no 3 in those 3 boxes. So the 3 could be here or there. So in this row, we have a 3 in one of those boxes. In the last row, we have a 3 over there. So in the row between, the only place for the 3 should be there. 2 boxes are left for this row for the numbers 8 and 9. 8 and 9. We have an 8 there, so no 8 here. 8 should be there, and the 9 goes there. 1 box remains for this big square for the number 9. 9 is missing. 9 in this column. 9 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. But we have a 9 there, so no 9 here. 9 should be here. 3 missing numbers of this big square for the numbers 1, 5, and 8. 1, 5, and 8. I cannot fill this yet, need to wait. 1, 5, and 8. Six. 1 in the first row, 1 in the second row. So in the third row, the only place for the 1 should be there. Then 1, 2, and 3, 3, and 4, okay, 5 and 8. No. Oh, no. 7 and 3. I need a 3. 2, 2. 8 and 5. 8. Yes, this column, 2 missing numbers. The numbers are 8 and 5. Look, we have an 8 there, so no 8 here. 8 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 1 missing number in the third row for the number 4. 2 missing numbers in this row for the number 4 and 1. We have a 4 there, so no 4 here. 4 should be there, and the 1 goes there. 2 missing numbers here in this big square for the numbers 8 and 5. I cannot fill this yet. 8 and 5. 5 and yes, these 2 numbers of this big square for the numbers 5 and 1. Now we have a 1 there, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Then 5 in this row, 5 in the third row, so in the row between the second row, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. I see here 5, no 5 here, 5 should be there. 5 in this column, 5 in the third column, so in the column between, the only 2 places for the 5 is here or there, but I see here 5, no 5 there, 5 should be here. 2 numbers left in this row for the numbers 8 and 3. 8 and 3. Yes, we have an 8 there, so no 8 here. 8 should be there, and the 3 goes there. 3 in this column, 3 in the second column, so in the third column, the only place for the 3 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for the numbers 1 and 2. We have a 1 there, so no 1 here. 1 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing, and the 6 is missing in the first column. We have a 4 there, so no 4 here. 4 should be there, and the 6 goes here. 2 missing numbers in this big square for the numbers 1 and 9. No, we have a 9. 1 and 2. We have a 1 here, so no 1 here. 1 should be there, and the 2 goes there. 1 missing number in the second column for the number 6. 6 in the first row, 6 in the third row. So in the row between, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. I see here 6, so no 6 there. 6 should be here. 2 in this column, 2 in that column. So in the middle column, the only place for the 2 should be here. 1 box is missing in the middle column for the number 8. One missing number in this big square for the number 5. Two missing numbers in this big square for the numbers 8 and 3. We have an 8 there, so no 8 here. 8 should be here and the 3 goes there. Two numbers left in this big square for the numbers 3 and 7. We have a 3 there, so no 3 here. 3 should be there and the 7 goes there. And the final two numbers of this big square, the 7 and the 2. We have a 2 here, so no 2 here. 2 should be there and the 7 goes here. Finish in 15 minutes. Alright, people, if you like this Sudoku, thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. Thank you for watching again, and I will see you in a minute with the third Sudoku, a Sudoku with 3 stars. So thank you for now, and bye bye.